everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back all my subscribers. Now if today is the first time you're watching my channel, a warm welcome to you also. Today we're going to be focusing on the eyes. I have a wonderful treatment for getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines around the eyes, also puffiness, eye bags, and guess what? Dark under eyes circles. Now, let us look at some of the things that cause us to have eye bags, puffiness, wrinkles and fine lines, and dark under eyes circles. Dark under eye circles, eye bags, and puffiness result from oxygenated blood pooled beneath the under eye skin. Fatigue is the most common cause of dark circles. Others are age, allergies, lack of sleep, poor hydration, alcohol abuse, and heredity. So to make this treatment, here are the ingredients. And the first one is green tea. And here I have my green tea brewing in a quarter cup of hot water. Okay, I'm making it very strong, so I am using only a quarter cup of water. I'm going to set this to the side, and our other ingredients are apple, and I'm using a half an apple, and I'm also using cucumber, a half of a medium cucumber, and I'm using some parsley, and this is fresh parsley leaves. You're also going to need a bowl, a strainer, a spoon, and if you do not have a blender, you're going to need a grater. Also, you're going to need some cotton pads. So first, I'm going to prepare both the apple and the cucumber together. I'm going to make sure to wash them properly, and then I'm going to chop and blend. If you do not have a blender, go ahead, use a grater to grate both the apple and the cucumber, and then you just use a cheesecloth to extract the juice. And you no need to remove the skin, just chop as it is, okay? So here are my chopped apples, and if you're living in a country where you don't have access to apples or it is way too expensive and you have some cherries, go ahead and replace the apples with cherries. It's all about the vitamin C from the apples, okay? So now I'm going to put the apples to the side, and I am going to prepare the cucumber. Same thing with the cucumber. We're not going to peel the cucumber. We're just going to chop for blending. And now I'm going to put this to the side, and I'm going to prepare the parsley leaves. You want to make sure to wash the parsley leaves, and then we're going to chop. You really don't have to chop the parsley leaves since we're blending. Now, for those of you who do not have a blender, when it comes on to the parsley leaves, you are going to crush the parsley leaf, beat it with a bottle or something, like, you know, bam, 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 and then you squeeze the juice from it, all right? Now we have here all three of the ingredients that's going to be blending. We have our parsley leaves, we have our cucumber, and we have our apples. Now I'm going to place all of this in the blender. Just pack it in the blender. I'm going to reach for the green tea, and I'm going to pour the green tea in the blender, but do not discard the tea. You're going to open it, and you're going to pour it in the blender also. Now, the only liquid that is going to go in the blender is the quarter cup of green tea. So now I'm going to cover, and I'm going to blend. So now we're going to strain. Now, you can actually choose to use this as a facial scrub. All you need to do is just add some brown sugar to this mix and use this to wash your face, okay? Now you can store this in a bottle and keep it in your refrigerator for at least 7 to 10 days, okay? So just make enough for a week supply. Now here we have some cotton pads, and this is what we're going to use to apply the treatment to the eyes. So here is our treatment, and we're going to dip the cotton pads in, soak it up. Make sure to always stir before. And this is our eye pads. You can squeeze it a little. And then you're going to place it over the eyes. And you're going to cover the entire eyes with this. And it's going to feel really, really nice and cold. And that's okay. Press it on. And you're going to relax with this on your eyes for at least 30 minutes. If you have puffy eyes, if you have dark under eyes circles, if you have eye bags, if you have wrinkles and fine lines, if you have tired eyes, this treatment is for you. So use this treatment as often as you can, preferably 3 to 4 times per week for best result. Now once you lay there with it for at least 30 minutes, you're going to take it off. And then you're going to rinse off. And you're going to apply your favorite moisturizer or a little bit of vitamin E oil. You're going to apply it right underneath the eyes. Don't forget the corners. And you should be set. Now, if you're short on time, what you can do, you could actually soak as much cotton pads for the week. You could put them in a Ziploc bag. Make sure it is tightly sealed. Keep it in your refrigerator so that each time when you want to use your cotton pad, you just go in your refrigerator, take out the bag, pull 2 pads out, and use it on your face, okay? Now, keep these pads for at least 10 days, and then you make fresh ones, all right? So here we have our leftover, which still have nutrients in it, a lot of juice and stuff like that. Get yourself some brown sugar, and that's about 2 tablespoons. Mix it in. Wow, this is nice. And here you have a wonderful facial scrub. Pretty easy. Use this to to exfoliate the skin for bright, clear, beautiful, radiant skin. Check this out. Pretty obvious, okay? And this is actually proof that this is going to get rid of your dark under eyes circles. Right in front of you, you could see how wonderful this is working as a scrub. Compare. Okay? So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Leave your comment. And if this was the first time watching, again, hit the word subscribe below and you will be subscribed. See you all in my next video. Bye-bye.